but the pass intended for Sia was off the mark. And now Evola will play it up ahead to Savard. Last minute of play here in the overtime. Savard to Kovacs. Kovacs spin move. Oh, he's checked off the puck. It's under the skate of the French River player. Kovacs got it to Walkington. Walkington, toe drag. Walkington, Kovacs. Great save, Montgomery. Oh, Sports Center top 10. What a save by Ben Montgomery.
Well, Walkington, very unselfish there. He had an opportunity to go in by himself. But Montgomery, great recovery.
Off the draw, Walkington, saved by Montgomery, rebound in front, and Montgomery able to cover that one up. What an overtime.
Well, it's been fantastic to watch. Great chance at either end to end this.
Another face-off win by the Thunderbirds. Montgomery to the corner. Bounce to Smyl. Smyl going after it. Ford down low as well. Smyl to Ford and behind the net. It's on the back of the goal, and Smyl will chase it down with 15 seconds to play in overtime. Smyl trying to fight off a check from Loft. Smyl around the net trying to wrap it. He scores! Cooper Smyl! He wins it for his dad! And the Thunderbirds victorious in overtime! Oh, I've never seen his dad smile like that. Oh, the Cardiac kids do it again.